Sparky Sparks. I have new hair and a new wig grip. So this is Wig Secure by Crystal, and it has silicone here and velvet. So we're gonna put her on and try some new hair on. So this is a little bit different than what I normally wear because the normal cap I wear goes over all of my hair, which makes this stay down. So what I've done is I've taken water and kind of sprayed down my hair. So we just hope that it won't come back through. So the first wig that I have is new from Gabor, and from her new style, a bunch of new hair. So this is called So Uplifting, and it's in the color Shaded Biscuit, which, as you guys know, is one of my favorite colors. So let's see, I've got little hairs on me. So right out of the box, we're gonna give her a shake. And we notice underneath that it's kind of open wefted here. And then it's got a fixed parting area here. So I'm going to line up this part on this wig grip with this part so that it'll look natural and not be dark. Anyway, and then we've got the adjustable tabs in the back like we love. These usually come perfect for me. And then this is the front lace part. So this is what gives the illusion of the hair coming right out of your scalp. Let's give her a try and see what you think. So again, this is So Uplifting in the color Shaded Biscuit. And so what we know is she has oh, look at this. She has a shaded root. So this is typical of when you put on a wig for the first time. It may not look like it's supposed to look, right? Because it's really not on yet. Take the ear tabs on the side. They have little wires in them. They kind of bend, and I put them on my temples. And then I check to see that the wig grip is tucked in, because I tend to wear the wig grip a little more forward on my head so that I don't have my whole forehead showing. I like to keep it at 4 instead of, I like to say 8. Somebody thought I was saying egg, but 8. So that's the hairline. Looks like it's coming straight out of my hair. Right? So if you were standing up next to me looking at my hair, you wouldn't even see the wefts in between where the hair is sewn. So that's an up close look at it. And then we just kind of run a comb through it. I love this style. So let's make sure we've got her on perfectly. Oh, I've been wearing red hair all winter, and this is so nice. Such a nice change. I like the blonde look. What do you think? Let's see, this piece. I think she wants to go here. And we can use a little bit of water. And what I do is I use the smooth detangler. Once I finish the bottle, I fill it with water. I like the misting on it. So this is just water. And water can help kind of retame the fibers of the hair and make it look like that kind of slick look. Here we go. And then I want to put some here. This little guy doesn't know. Oh, she wants to go there. Okay. Sometimes it just takes a minute to get the hair to do what you want it to do. What do you think? Look at this. Sorry, we got some loose hairs on me. But again, this is Shaded Biscuit, and this is So Uplifting is the style. Let's see the back, so you can see what it looks like in the back. You can tell I love her. I think this is kind of how I wear my hair. I think my natural hair is a little bit darker than this, but this is so me. For short hair, this is definitely me. I love this. I would love your thoughts. Again, this is Gabor in So Uplifting, and this color Shaded Biscuit. Love, love, love. Cheers.